Hello and welcome to this unique look at some of the most interesting railways in Germany. Apart from the UK, there's nowhere else in Europe that offers so much heritage railway variety and action as Germany. It's now over 20 years since the Berlin Wall was torn down. Back then, TeleRail were amongst the very first Western documentary film crews to take a close look at the railway transport infrastructure that lay behind the wall that for so long had separated this country. We discovered a time warp of lines and services that were the legacy of the communist era that even included working narrow-gauge freight lines. Now, 20 years later, it's a fitting time to see how both East and some West German lines have adapted and survived since unification. The Rhine Valley is one of the most visited areas in all Germany, and one of the country's first places you'll come to if heading from Western Europe. This lovely region, with its castles, riverboats, vineyards and romantic scenery, is a region to explore. But with much of the country's industry nearby, it's also of vital importance for Germany's transport system, making it a great place to watch trains. As well as Father Rhine itself, there are mainline railways on both sides of the river, and these are busy 24 hours a day. In addition to a frequent passenger service, goods traffic is almost continuous, with plenty of variety, from mixed goods to heavy coal and intercontinental freightliner traffic. This futuristic-looking monorail isn't in some sort of theme park, but actually serves Wuppertal in Germany's far west. 13 kilometers long with 20 stops, remarkably, the unique Schwebebahn has provided rapid transit along the Wupper Valley since 1901. Whatever road traffic may be doing below.